Good morning. So I'm here at the very start of the National Trail at Donnellys Weir. Absolutely gorgeous setting. I left Healesville and I've just pulled up here to adjust a few things on the bike. After having it sent down on the plane, it just adjust a few things which I didn't do yesterday. It's just beautiful. I just want to say a huge thank you to Will and Tonya for putting me up, and to anyone that's helped me get this to a reality. So from here, it's literally onwards and upwards. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, I'm here at the junction, so if you want to go to the top of Mount St. Leonard, you go up there. The National Trail continues this way. Been a steep climb. It's one way to get started, but good. It's so beautiful. Nice and cool too. So I've just come out of road at 11, which joins onto Monda Road. So I now follow this all the way through to Monda Yards. I think I've only done 9 kilometres in 3.5 hours. It was steep, but it was good. I just took my time. Anyway, just had a short break and I will start heading up Monda Road. I don't know what the temperature is, but I'm actually quite chilly once you stop. Anyway, I'll get going. Onwards and upwards. Done about 14.7 kilometres. It's 18 and a half, I think, today. Lots of pushing, but so beautiful. Wow, first day's done. I'm here at Monda Yards, or Horse Yards, yeah. It's crazy actually, because, you know, coming out, be remote. There's a fair few camped just to the left of me, but to the right at the top of the hill, there's, I guess they must be young, but the music is doof, doof, doofing. Anyway, each to their own. Let's hope it doesn't go on all night. Great day. A lot of hiker bike. So I did about, I think it was 4 from Healesville to the start of the trail. Then I did 19 kilometres basically on trail, over 1,000 metres of elevation. So for first day, there was a lot of pushing, but honestly, that was fine. Like, you know, I'm just going to take it as it comes. I've just had dinner, filtered some water. Yeah, I'm almost ready to crash and burn. Good day. Should get into Marysville tomorrow. So that'll be good. I'll just turn around. You can see my tent, my bike, which I'll just move around nearer the back of the tent. Yeah, it's good. Very good. Catch up with you soon. Bye. Good morning. I've just left camp. It's probably 8 o'clock. It doesn't get light until quite late, so I'll have to adjust it because the evenings are lighter, so that's all good. Well, that was an interesting first night. The two groups of people joined together and had the biggest rave party going till about 3 in the morning. I did sleep, but it, just kept waking me up. So I'm hoping to get to Marysville today. See how it goes. Quite a cool morning. But it's just beautiful. Blue skies, massive trees. It's just amazing. Well, so far, done an hour and I've actually done nearly 5 kilometres today. Some pushing so far, but probably a lot more riding and quite a bit of downhill, which I'm still not I don't go very fast. I'm a bit wary still, getting, used to the fully loaded bike because it's heavier than anything else I've done. But this is awesome. I think I'm on the outskirts of, and excuse pronunciation, Narbethong or something like that. Lots of downhill today, which must mean gotta go up here. Beautiful morning. Just looking back over where I've come from. Way back over there. I think we're only maybe 3 kilometres from Marysville. Just coming into Marysville. Is that what we're going to climb out of it? Oh, what a lovely afternoon. I made it into Marysville about 3 o'clock, I think it was. And had a very lazy afternoon. Set up my tent, had a shower, washed some clothes, and ate dinner. I've transferred photos over to the iPad because I may stay an extra night here because I'm still trying to find out whether I can do the Moonlight Spur and Army Track at Knockwood. They have been closed because of the fires. I'm waiting to hear back from the ranger because I am calling the coordinator of the section when I get to Mount Terrible, but that means climbing all the way up to Mount Terrible, then maybe to be told you can't go that way. So if I can find out beforehand and do a diversion, that's what I'll do. Anyway, beautiful evening here. Very quiet. Yeah. See you tomorrow.